Okay, hey, what is up, Pokemoners? It's Richard. My name is Jake. My dad's name is Richard, so that's why. You might not know I created a Pokemon account, and yeah, and I have a lot of the screen recording earlier for this because I opened up a ton of packs one time, but I have 3 packs, so we're gonna. Where do I go? Oh, wait. Gotta go to collection. I'll show you all my stuff later. I have some cool stuff. But anyway, let's see. Packs. So I have 2 packs actually, not 1. So team up and unify minds, and we'll see. So let's open it up and see what we can get. So, Fairy Entry, Weedle, Lullaby, Zora, Omni, and the final card is an Alolan Exegator. That is a non-hollow. We get 2 for this 3 packs, guys. So we'll see what we can get. Jasmine Reverse and Charizard. That is cool. So I know that. Yeah, our last pack, and hopefully get an ultra. I've got a lot of great cards. I've got 1 hyper rare, as we see. Regular rares, but that's okay, guys. I'll show you my collection. So yeah, you can just look around. Yeah, I have that Articuno full art card. I'll show you my ultra rare. So I have a Hoopa GX. Guys, surprisingly, I have a Dedenne GX. I pulled it. I think I have a Lugia GX as well. Let me check. I'll check, guys. Yeah, I do have a Lugia GX. My hyper rare is a Yveltal GX. How do I spell it? Oh, Yveltal GX. Hyper rare, and I have 2 full art cards, a Rayquaza EX full art card and a full art card J9s. Wait, no. How do you spell J9? Oops, I accidentally. Oh wait, what? Oh wait, I think I have a full card. No, I think I pulled it, but whatever. Oh wait, it's in Trainer. I accidentally was searching it in Pokemon, so yeah, I have a full art card J9, guys. So yeah, and I have a bunch of those, and yeah. So yeah, I think I might show you some. So yeah, so from now on, if I do any packs or go into any events, I'll tell you. Open any packs or stuff, I'll tell you guys. So when I open up booster packs, I might keep the code cards, and yeah, cause I might keep the code cards so we can open them up all together, guys. So yeah, so guys, thanks for watching this short video. Make sure to stay safe and healthy, and I will see you guys next